My name is Brad Hall, and today's episode, I am sharing the top 5 Yeezys that released between September 14th, 2019 and September 28th, 2019. This list was not easy to come up with. In the past 2 weeks, there have been 11 Yeezys released. That is a lot of Yeezys to choose from, and the fact that most of them were brown, that made it even harder. But I narrowed it down, and I feel good about this, so let's get into it.
Number 5.
I've been a fan of the Desert Boot for a while. I love that 500 upper on this chunky, perfect for the fall and winter kind of sole. I also greatly prefer the adidas made version over the Yeezy version. The fit is a lot better. That toe box is wider. It feels lighter and less rigid. Now in terms of this colorway, I think this is the nicest of the three. It's a nice tan, perfect for that fall time.
Number 4.
I was happy to see the Powerphase return, and I love this new suede upper. It just adds a subtle spice to it. The suede has a nice finger feel, and it's very soft. There were 3 colorways of the Powerphase released. To me, the standout pair was the most brown pair. I just love that this one, it did not shy away from being brown.
Number 3.
The Citroen colorway of the 350 is really a shoe that you have to see in person. It's difficult to capture the color in an image on a computer. And there is so much subtlety going on with this one. I thought it might be a darker version of the Lundmark pair, but this one, it just has some big surprises. The upper is an interesting stew of earth tones, and it has this nice pale green stripe running along it. And on the bottom, you've got that gum brown, which is really nice too.
Number 2.
This is my first time seeing a reflective pair in person. I wasn't sure what to expect. All in all, it looks fairly identical to the normal pair, but you can see those reflective threads in there. They're just a little bit darker. The reason I put this slightly ahead of the normal pair, it does look pretty cool with that flash.
Number 1.
It's the 350 Cloud White colorway. This one is even more subtle than the Citroen, and it just goes together so well. The upper, almost blue tint-like. Then you've got a stripe that's kind of creamy, almost a yellowish color. And then down on its bottom, you've got some milkiness. So I love how delicate this colorway is, and I also love how little brown there was. So that is my list, a really strong list. I'm really excited to see what October brings for Yeezy releases. Hopefully, I get a chance to do another top 5 list for that first week in October.